What's the difference between gassing up a motorcycle in Australia versus Canada? In Australia, the first thing you do as soon as you pull up into that station, you gotta get off your bike. Yet in Canada, we say, hey there neighbor, go ahead, stay on your bike. In Australia, if you do that, they won't even let you pump. They will literally close off that pump from you. Again though, in Canada, they're like, you know what, that's no problem, you do you. In Australia, you have to take off your helmet. If you don't take off your helmet, again, they will close off that pump from you. In Canada, however, you're totally welcome to keep that helmet on. Honestly, if you take off that helmet, you look a little weird and other motorcyclists will probably be wondering what the hell you're doing. In Canada, you pay first at the pump. You're on your bike, you lean over, you do one of those tap, eventually you get it. Cool, go ahead, pump up. In Australia, you pump up first. It's almost like a trust thing. Where they'll be like, you know what, we've already got your information and your face on camera. Go ahead, pump up. But in Canada, as soon as you're done pumping, put that pump back, vroom, 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 right away. No problem, boom, boom, done. But in Australia, you have to go inside and you now have to pay. Yeah, were you pumped 6? Yeah, I was pumped 6. Okay, that's gonna be $12. Come back, pump it on, and away you go. And there you are. Aren't you glad you watched this video? And now you know